Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign out of an Gmail account on iPhone. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Step 2. Open the Gmail app. Tap the Gmail app from Google to open it. Step 3. Tap your profile picture. In the top right corner, tap your profile picture. Step 4. Manage accounts. From the menu, tap Manage accounts on this device. Step 5. Select the Gmail account. You will see a list of accounts signed into your iPhone. Tap the Gmail account you want to sign out of. Step 6. Remove from this device. Tap Remove from this device. Step 7. Confirm sign out. Tap Remove again to confirm. This will sign the Gmail account out of the app. Step 8. Wait for removal. Give it a few seconds while Gmail removes the account. Step 9. You are signed out. The Gmail account is now signed out from your iPhone, and that's it. And that's how to sign out of a Gmail account on your iPhone, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.